Kristen here, sports dietitian, certified personal trainer, and founder of Elite Nutrition Performance. And today we're going to talk about how to make some healthier habits in your home and how to set yourself up for success. So I recently made a video on should you track your calories using some type of calorie counting or macro counting app. And I feel free to go watch that video if you haven't already. I actually urge you to go do that. And so one of the things that I talked about in that video was really focusing on the things that you can eat rather than focusing on the things that you feel like you can't eat. So let's talk about how you can set up your house and your kitchen for success so that you can develop healthier eating habits rather than feeling like you can't eat certain foods. So first and foremost, I have this giant fruit bowl. This lives on my counter right over here. And I highly recommend getting something like this. It doesn't need to be nearly that big, but getting something like that so that you always have fruit available and you always see that. And that's what really comes to mind when you want something to eat. When you start to feel hungry, you can reach for something like a piece of fruit rather than going into the refrigerator or just grabbing, some type of junky snack from a vending machine that may not be something that's really going to be beneficial for you. The next thing I would recommend doing is having some easy portable protein sources on hand. So I have here some vanilla Greek yogurt. I also have some plain Greek yogurt. These have a little bit more fat in them, and that's for a reason, to help you to feel more satisfied and keep you fuller longer rather than the non-fat ones. So I highly recommend having something like this available where you could just easily scoop out some yogurt and pair that with a fruit. So I always get fruits that I can put into a jar. So for example, I have cut up pineapple here. I also have in the refrigerator some cantaloupe. I just cube that up and I put them in glass jars that I have saved from different things. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, all those types of things, they go into a glass jar because they stay fresher that way. Plus, this is a nice visual. When you open your refrigerator, you're seeing fresh cut up fruit that you can easily grab rather than something that, like a whole apple that now I have to go cut this up, or a peach or something along those lines. So I highly recommend taking a few minutes to do that. Another option is something like almond butter or peanut butter. You can easily pair this with, again, something cut up. This is celery right here. I have cut up some celery and put them in a glass jar. I can easily see it. I can easily just grab it out of my refrigerator and have that with some almond butter. Or I can also have another thing here. Canned tuna. Canned tuna, some people love it, some people hate it. So if you like it, great. Or you could do canned chicken. This is really easy. All you have to do is just pop the top on this thing. You can mix it with some of your plain Greek yogurt, a little bit of mayo, and then you can dip some celery sticks in it and also some crackers. These are some almond flour crackers that I got from Costco. Almost out, need to get more, but so lots of combinations that you can make here. So you want to make sure that you're having fresh cut up produce, so fruits and vegetables on hand. You're also having quick and easy portable protein sources. Another good one that I have here, I'll just cook up a whole box of this. This is chickpea pasta. This actually has 19 grams of protein for 1 cup of pasta. That's great. It also has 11 grams of fiber. So don't eat this right before you go out running or participate in some sport, because your stomach might not be so happy about that. But it's a great source of protein, and you can just cook up the entire box of it and just pull from that to make your lunches. Put some spaghetti sauce over top of it, put some Parmesan cheese, or you can, if you don't like sauce, you could do olive oil and Parmesan cheese. And that's a great, easy option. Last thing I have for you is water. Keep a nice big water bottle with you at all times. This is a water bottle that I actually got from a white elephant Christmas party, but it comes with 3 different tops, which is really nice. I would recommend finding one of these. So this is a sport top. There's also one that's just a little screw off top that I can sip out of. And then there's one that's a flip top. So this is about 33 ounces, and I put some lemon in my water. I also put a little bit of salt in there if I have a more active day, and I just sip on this throughout the day. And if I have something like this with me at all times, I will drink more water. And water, we know, is that is what controls everything. It is what is most abundant in your body, and you need lots of it, especially if you are active and if you have a more active day. So please incorporate these tips of how you can focus on what you can eat and what things that you can have to set yourself up for success in your kitchen, rather than focusing on the negative and what you feel like you can't have. And please don't forget to incorporate things that you like to have every now and again. So if you like having cookies or you like having French fries, go ahead and have them. Just have a little bit of them and then start to incorporate them into your day, but focus on these things primarily. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and share this video and have a great rest of your day.